What if you could have a coding assistant that doesn't just write code, but actually understands what you're trying to build? Welcome to AI Mastery Hub, where we unlock the future of tech, one tool at a time. Today, we're diving deep into Roo Code, the AI coding agent that's changing how developers, entrepreneurs, and complete beginners are building software. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone who's never written a line of code, this might be the most important 9 minutes of your tech journey. If you're ready to supercharge your productivity and create software in a fraction of the time, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Mastery Hub right now. We're exposing the AI tools that are transforming industries, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's discover why Roo Code is becoming the ultimate AI coding companion. So what exactly is Roo Code? Unlike traditional AI coding assistants that just generate snippets of code based on prompts, Roo Code is a true coding agent that can actively collaborate with you to build complete software projects. Roo Code was developed by Anthropic, the same company behind Claude, one of the most powerful AI models on the market. What makes Roo Code unique is its ability to reason about code at a systems level, understand context, and even debug its own work. Imagine having a senior developer sitting right next to you, ready to implement your ideas 24/7. That's essentially what Roo Code delivers. It's available as a command line interface tool that's designed to integrate seamlessly into your existing development workflow. Here's where Roo Code really shines compared to other coding assistants. First, Roo Code can maintain context across an entire project, not just a single file. This means it understands the relationships between different components and how they work together. Second, it can actually reason through complex programming challenges, not just regurgitate patterns it's seen before. When faced with a novel problem, Roo Code can think step by step to develop solutions. Third, it's designed to work alongside humans, complementing your strengths rather than trying to replace you entirely. For businesses and entrepreneurs with limited technical resources, Roo Code is like adding an entire development team to your arsenal, at a fraction of the cost. Let's break down the most impressive features that make Roo Code stand out in the crowded AI coding assistant space. First, Roo Code has exceptional multi-language support. While many AI coding tools excel in popular languages like Python or JavaScript, Roo Code demonstrates remarkable proficiency across over 30 programming languages, including specialized ones like Rust, Go, and even COBOL for legacy systems. Next, Roo Code offers full project architecture capabilities. Rather than just helping with individual functions, it can design entire application structures with proper folder hierarchies, dependency management, and deployment configurations. Just tell it what you want to build, and it can scaffold an entire project from scratch. Another game-changing feature is its intelligent debugging. When your code has errors, Roo Code doesn't just identify them. It explains why they're happening and proposes multiple solutions based on best practices. It can analyze stack traces, log files, and error messages to pinpoint issues that might take hours to resolve manually. Roo Code also provides natural language explanations of complex code. It can translate dense technical implementations into plain English, making it an incredible learning tool for beginners or for technical handoffs between team members. Perhaps most impressively, Roo Code can refactor and optimize existing code bases. Feed it your legacy code and it can modernize it, improve performance, and suggest architectural improvements, all while maintaining the original functionality. For content creators looking to demonstrate code examples or freelancers juggling multiple tech stacks, this versatility is a complete game changer. Let's see how different users are leveraging Roo Code to transform their workflows. For developers, Roo Code is acting as a force multiplier. Senior developers are using it to handle boilerplate code and routine tasks, freeing them to focus on higher-level architecture decisions. Junior developers report learning faster by having Roo Code explain complex patterns and suggest improvements to their code. One developer shared that they completed a project in 2 days that would have normally taken 2 weeks, just by having Roo Code generate the foundational components while they focused on the unique business logic. For entrepreneurs and business owners, Roo Code is dramatically reducing the barrier to entry for tech innovation. Non-technical founders are using it to prototype their ideas without hiring expensive development teams. One startup founder we interviewed built a functional MVP for their mobile app using Roo Code with minimal technical background, saving over $20,000 in initial development costs. Content creators are using Roo Code to build custom tools for content management, automated editing systems, and interactive elements for their audiences. The ability to quickly implement ideas without deep technical expertise is opening new creative possibilities. Freelancers and remote workers are leveraging Roo Code to expand their service offerings. Web developers can now confidently take on back-end projects, while data analysts can build custom data processing tools without mastering complex programming concepts. Even large enterprises are integrating Roo Code into their workflows, using it to modernize legacy systems and accelerate internal tool development that would otherwise sit in the backlog for months. Now let's walk through how to get started with Roo Code, including some pro tips to maximize its potential from day one. Setting up Roo Code is surprisingly straightforward. You'll need to install it through the command line using a package manager like npm or pip, depending on your preferred environment. Once installed, you can access it directly from your terminal by typing Roo followed by your instructions. Here's a quick example of Roo Code in action. Let's say you want to build a simple weather app. You might type Roo, create a weather application that fetches data from OpenWeatherMap API and displays the current temperature, humidity, and forecast for a user-specified location. From this simple prompt, Roo Code will generate a complete project structure, including the necessary API calls, error handling, and a clean user interface. For maximum efficiency, here are 3 pro tips. First, be specific about your requirements. The more details you provide about functionality, design preferences, and technical constraints, the better Roo Code can tailor its output. Second, use iterative refinement. Start with a basic implementation, review it, and then ask Roo Code to enhance specific aspects or add features incrementally. Third, leverage Roo Code's explanation capabilities. Ask it to explain complex sections of code or architectural decisions. This not only helps you understand the implementation, but also improves your own coding skills over time. A lesser-known feature is Roo Code's ability to analyze existing code bases. You can point it to a GitHub repository, and it will familiarize itself with the structure before helping you extend or modify it. While Roo Code is revolutionary, it's important to understand its current limitations and where it's headed next. Currently, Roo Code still requires human oversight for mission-critical applications, especially those involving security, financial transactions, or sensitive user data. It's an incredible assistant, but not a complete replacement for experienced developers in high-stakes scenarios. Roo Code also works best with well-established technologies and frameworks. When dealing with cutting-edge or niche technologies, its capabilities may be more limited. The tool is continuously improving through regular updates. The development team behind Roo Code has announced plans for several exciting features in the coming months. These include better integration with popular IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains products, enhanced support for mobile development frameworks, and more sophisticated AI-powered code reviews that can identify potential security vulnerabilities and performance bottlenecks. There are also rumors of upcoming features that would allow Roo Code to generate unit tests automatically and integrate directly with continuous integration pipelines. For tech enthusiasts who want to stay ahead of the curve, now is the perfect time to master Roo Code before it becomes an industry standard. As we've seen, Roo Code represents the next generation of AI coding assistants. Not just writing code, but truly collaborating with humans to build better software faster. Whether you're a developer looking to multiply your productivity, an entrepreneur bringing your ideas to life, a content creator building custom tools, or a freelancer expanding your service offerings, Roo Code has the potential to transform your relationship with technology. The question isn't whether AI will change how we build software, it's whether you'll be at the forefront of this revolution or playing catch-up later. Here at AI Mastery Hub, we drop videos like this every second day, breaking down the most powerful AI tools and showing you exactly how to leverage them in the real world. Hit that subscribe button right now to stay updated for the AI era. Your future self will thank you. Until next time, keep mastering the machines.